Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're taking a look at the ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus, a handy 2-in-1 tool that combines an OBD2 scanner and a battery tester. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, this little device can be a valuable addition to your toolbox. Let's start with what the ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus does. As an OBD2 scanner, it can read trouble codes stored in your car's computer system, helping you identify potential problems and avoid costly repairs down the road. The battery tester function allows you to check the health of your car's battery, including voltage, cranking amps, and internal resistance. This can help you determine if your battery is on its last legs and needs replacing before it leaves you stranded. Alright, focusing on the OBD2 scanner function first. We'll plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard near the steering wheel. The ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus features a bright and clear TFT color screen that displays retrieved trouble codes along with their definitions. This gives you a good starting point for diagnosing the problem. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the battery tester. The ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus can test a wide range of 6 volts and 12 volts batteries, including flooded lead acid, sealed maintenance-free AGM, and gel batteries. Using the tester is simple. Connect the positive and negative clamps to the corresponding terminals on your battery, and the scanner will do the rest. The ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus is a versatile tool suitable for DIY car enthusiasts. It empowers you to diagnose basic car problems and maintain your vehicle's health. Professional mechanics as a handy secondary tool for quick checks and battery assessments. Anyone who wants to avoid roadside breakdowns. By proactively monitoring your car's health, you can prevent unexpected battery failures. ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner battery tester. Pros and cons. Pros: wide range of compatibility, multiple functions, relatively user-friendly interface, data storage and retrieval, battery analysis. Cons: limited functionality, not a repair tool, limited battery types, short cable length. If you're interested in learning more about the ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner battery tester, check out the links in the description below. Overall, the ANCEL AD410 Pro Plus is a good option for DIY car owners who want to perform basic car maintenance and diagnostics. It can save you money on repairs by identifying problems early on. However, for complex repairs, a professional mechanic will likely be needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.